This video will help you find company and industry information for your seminar and strategic management assignment. We will look at two library databases, D&B Hoovers and IBISWorld. You can get to these databases by going to the library website, which is located at library.uhv.edu, and clicking on Databases A to Z. Our databases are organized alphabetically. First, we will look at D&B Hoovers. D&B Hoovers has company and industry information on almost 1.7 million public and private organizations worldwide. You will have access to this database both on campus and off campus. Once you click on the database, if you're off campus, you will be prompted to authenticate through JagSpace. Once in D&B Hoovers, we will do a company search for Alliance Data Systems. And then we're going to click on the first result. Here, you will see an overview of the company. There are two different ways you can see information about this company. First is by looking at the information listed on the left side of the page. Here you can see core information like company summary, contacts, and SWOT analyses, advanced information like competitors, industry peers and annual reports, and financial information about the company like financial health, annual ratios, income statements, and cash flows. Another way you can look at this information is by generating your own report with D&B Hoover's one-stop report feature. You can select your category and then the fields that you'd want to see. For this example, we'll choose a SWOT analysis, financial health, the financial report, as well as annual income and how about annual cash flow. Once you've selected all of the fields that you would like to examine, you can click on Done to create the report. It will save the report to your downloads as a PDF document with the name One Stop Report. So if we open it up, you'll be able to see that we've got about 16 pages, and as we scroll through, we can see that we have all of our fields listed, like the SWOT analysis, the financial health information, annual income statement, and so on. The next database we'll look at is IBISWorld. So we'll go to our databases A to Z, sort to I, and find IBISWorld. IBISWorld has information on more than 700 American industries. And once again, you'll be able to access this information from on-campus and off-campus. IBISWorld allows you to search by industry name, company, or the NAICS code. If you need more detailed information on determining which industry your company classifies itself as, or how to find out the NAICS code that is assigned to an industry, please go to the VCUHV Library YouTube channel and watch our industry information and NAICS code videos. For this video, we will be searching for the data processing and hosting services in the U.S. industry, which has a NAICS code of 51821. So we'll do a search, and then we'll click on the industry. Once in the industry page, you'll be able to find key economic drivers, related industries, and major players, just to name a few pieces of information that you can find in this database. You can also find more industry information by exploring the tabs along the top of the page. These include industry outlook, operating conditions, and key statistics. And remember, if you have any questions about finding company or industry information, you can always ask the library for help.